over the years, my kids' bathrooms have kind of like grown with them. And that's really what I think of whenever I think of a kid's bathroom. Well, underneath the sink has always been a problem area for us, regardless of how we've set it up or like had the space grow with the kids. So what I've done, I've found some incredible products that have actually kept under their sink organized. Because under our cabinet has no shelves, these products act as shelves for the space. So if you have a cabinet under your sink and are looking to get things organized, then this video is for you.
Hey there, I'm Jessica, the Organized Mama, and I help families just like you with practical organizing, decorating, and DIY tips. I lined underneath the bathroom sink using Clorox Easy Liner Smooth Top, just as a way to protect everything in case one of the pipes leaks or any of that. This liner is amazing to keep everything like mildew free. So I'm going to start using iDesign's expandable under sink organizer. And I love this because it can work around any of your pipes under your sink. All right, now that I have my under sink organizer set up, I can add things on it that will hold. First thing we're going to do, we are going to use a small turntable, and I'm actually going to set that one on this side to hold hair care products and dog products, because both of those are what we keep underneath the sink in our bathroom. Okay, then on this shelf, I'm going to use this drawer organizer to hold all of my extra soaps. So I'm just going to line them up like I would find at the store. And the reason why I'm using a drawer divider on the top is in case a little hand kind of knocks everything over. This way, they're all together in a contained organizer. There, and push them back for the last one. Now all of those are stored in there. Then on the bottom, I'm going to use that shelf to store all of the bath toys. Look at! Now everything fits so nice and neat underneath the sink. Now on this side of the cabinet, I'm going to use the stacking pantry bins, and we are going to hold some of the hair supplies. These are my daughter's rollers. She likes curling her hair. Then on top of that, I'm going to use another stacking pantry bin. There. And I'm going to hold her hair dryer. Ta-da!
Love what you see? Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every Wednesday.